What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu because there's so much going on inside of Shiba Inu right now. But before we go over that, please hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps out for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment if you like the video. And also, what we're going over today is Webull. Webull just now listed Shiba Inu. Almost said Dogecoin there, but we will just downlisted Shiba Inu. And remember, eToro also just listed Shiba Inu. We also got that crypto.com listing. There's so much that is going on with Shiba Inu right now. All right, so we're going to go over this. But first, I want to go over all the technicals. But before I go over that, remember, Webull is giving you 2 free stocks if you sign up and deposit $100. Remember, you can get Shiba Inu on Webull now. So now you can just go ahead and sell those stocks and put it straight into Shiba Inu. You know, it's like a little hack right there, a little money hack for you guys. So definitely check out the link in the description. Get those 2 free stocks with Webull, deposit $100, get those free stocks, put that money in Shiba Inu, then boom, you got yourself a little money tree right there growing all these sweet tendies. Now let's go over what we got for Shiba Inu. So at the beginning of this whole thing, we were all over here around the 20th of July, and we finally bottomed out here in Shiba Inu. That was the bottom of Shiba Inu, the bottom of the bear run. So that was at 0.00000576. So when that finally happened, we didn't stay inside that channel for too long. So we just went straight for the resistance and boom, just broke right out of there. And then we went up to our next resistance level, which was 0.00000682. So once we finally got to that resistance level, we kind of stayed in this channel for a little bit. We started to consolidate, then we tried to break out of it. Only broke out of it for a little, but we got resisted. We got rejected right at that resistance level. We went right back down to our support of the 6th area. So once we went down to our support, we kind of stayed on a sideways moving pattern. And then we just finally broke out when everything started going crazy. Remember, Bitcoin started going crazy. 45K Bitcoin, 46K Bitcoin, 3.2K Ethereum. Everything was going crazy. As you can see up here, Shiba Inu is at rank 40 now. That's really cool right there. 17% for the last 7 days. Shiba Inu doing very well. Everything's doing good. Now Cardano's number 3. And also, you can get Cardano on Webull too. So you could put that money into Cardano. Cardano's the top 3 crypto. Cardano is one of the best cryptos out there. I'm not gonna lie. Cardano is one of the best cryptos out there. So, anyways, Shiba Inu is also doing pretty well too. Shiba Inu is also a very good crypto. Now, when we finally decided to break out, boom, we went right up here. We just passed this resistance here. We didn't even stay inside this channel for that long. So we're like, boom, we're going to pass this 0.00000724 resistance very fast. And then we passed that resistance. Then we went straight up here to a next channel at the 866 area. Not even going to say all those zeros. Way too many zeros, right? And then, we kind of went back down to our support, But anyways, after we went down to our support, we bounced off and then we started to go on this uptrend. After this uptrend, we couldn't really go all the way up. It wasn't enough growth, wasn't enough momentum. So we had to come back down to this next trend line. So inside this next pattern here, this is our next channel that we're going through. Now in this trend line, we could possibly end up, inching up slowly there, or possibly going into another trend line here and then trying to inch up slowly again. But if we do not do that, we will be rejected and sent back down to our previous support levels. So that's probably what could happen. But anyways, we could just break out this channel just like how we did here. We went parabolic here. But anyways, this is all I got for the little technicals here. All I got for the little technical analysis. But let's go over to our fundamentals now. $3.2 billion in SHIB, that's very much a lot of money. But right now, I want to see SHIB back at ranked number 27, $5.4 billion, because that's where we were before. So we definitely gotta, turn this around. All right. So anyways, 627,000 people holding SHIB. That's 627,695. So when you refresh that, what do you see? You see 627,699. So yeah, a bunch of people putting money in the SHIB left and right. They're just throwing that money in the SHIB, and it's probably through Webull. Now let's go over the big news for today. Boom, we got the Webull listing finally. Remember, Robinhood is also trying to list SHIB. Now let's go over to that Robinhood, the Robinhood change.org petition for Shiba Inu. Now, if you see this, we got like 176,000 people here have signed that petition. That's a lot of people that signed the petition. Now, Robinhood will definitely list it next. Let me tell you why. Because think about it. Burger King, McDonald's. When Burger King does something, McDonald's does something. When McDonald's does something, Burger King does something. You know, Robinhood and Webull are like Burger King versus McDonald's. Right now, I like Burger King more than McDonald's. Let's be honest. I don't eat either one of them because I don't really eat fast food like that. But anyways, I like the whole Shiba Inu on Webull thing because I think Webull is doing a better job than Robinhood right now. You know, and that's inside of keeping its customers satisfied. You know, a lot of Robinhood people are not satisfied right now. Honestly, I'm satisfied with both of them. I didn't get screwed over with the whole AMC thing or the whole Dogecoin thing. I did pretty well with that. So I'm not really mad at either one. So I'm really not biased on that. But anyways, Robinhood wants to beat Webull. So if they want to beat Webull, they're going to be listing Shiba Inu next. And if Shiba Inu gets listed on Robinhood, that's just going to go parabolic. It's going to go crazy on a crazy uptrend, crazy bullish pattern. It's going to go crazy. I know I said crazy a lot in the last sentence, but it's going to go crazy. That's why I said it. But anyways, it's going to go all the way up there. But anyways, let's get off of this Robinhood thing because remember, first they're going to do the wallets and then they're going to start rolling out other cryptos. So we won't get Shiba Inu on Robinhood until they put the wallets on Robinhood. Remember, that's going to help their stock as well. They want their stock to go up. If their stock is going to go up, they need to start adding more cryptos. It's going to make more cash flow come in and it's going to make their stock price rise. So anyways, let's talk about this. Now, right now with Webull, you cannot do it mobilely. Like you cannot buy Shiba Inu mobilely, but you can buy Shiba Inu on the desktop. And a lot of people are talking about how they're able to get it on the desktop and not on mobile. Now, I opened the mobile app and I looked at it. And then what I've seen, it says right now we are currently not available to trade this, but we will in the near future, as in 1 day or 2 days. So even though you can't do it mobilely, you can go online on the computer because it's working on the computer. So a lot of people have already bought it. 269 people agree with this. Look, someone said bought Sheep on Robinhood, on Webull. And then down here, you can see it says you can buy it on the desktop version of Webull. 16 people agreed with that. That means 16 people probably bought it on Webull, on the desktop version. So this is really huge here. This is very bullish. We bullish. That's what we're calling it. Not Webull anymore. We're calling it we bullish because we are bullish with Shiba Inu on Webull. Webull is going crazy right now. And remember, guys, check out the link in the description. 2 free stocks with Webull. All you got to do is deposit $100 into Webull. Then you'll get those free stocks, right? You sign up, you deposit $100, you get your free stocks, sell the stocks, buy Shiba Inu. But first, you got to wait a few days before you sell the stocks. You know, you got to wait for it to settle in. But anyways, you sell the stocks, buy Shiba Inu with it, take the $100 that you put into Webull, and then also buy Shiba Inu with that. And then boom, you got a little money tree, and it's going to grow, and it's going to have all these sweet little tinnies printed. And that's going to be very nice for the whole Sheep Army community. So shout out to this Sheep Army member because honestly, Shiba Inu, they haven't even updated it on their Twitter about it yet. They really have not talked about this on Twitter yet. And I'm surprised that we kind of got there before Shiba Inu. Like they still haven't mentioned anything about it, probably because it's not 100% on there yet. It's on the desktop version, but on mobile, they're still trying to get it fixed. And Webull, let's see if they even, updated us on that because they're updating everything else. So yeah, as you can see, they're not really doing any of the updates here on Webull yet until their mobile version is 100% done. But right now, if you want to get in before everyone else, you can get in on the desktop version. So definitely check out the link in the description. So look, they also got Ethereum Classic. They're adding a lot of new stuff. If Robinhood wants to keep up, they're really going to have to add Shiba Inu. They're going to have to start adding new cryptos because if they don't, they're going to get left in the dust. Webull is just taking off right now. They're going crazy. If Robinhood wants to keep up, they're going to have to do the same thing. They're going to have to start listing Sheep, Baby Doge. You know what? Next, Webull's probably going to list Baby Doge. Webull is so ahead of Robinhood right now. They're probably going to list Baby Doge. Webull already has Cardano. Robinhood doesn't even have Cardano. I mean, Webull is probably the best stock trading app right now that has cryptos on it too. Next to eToro. eToro is also pretty good, but I would do Webull over eToro because I've been with Webull longer. And I don't even have an account with eToro, but I'll probably make an account with eToro and do a little review on it. But anyways, this is really good news that we're finally on Webull. We've been waiting for this forever, and more people signed the Robinhood petition than the Webull petition, which tells me Robinhood's probably about to do this next because there's a lot of people that want Shiba Inu on Robinhood. The whole Shiba Army wants it on Robinhood. But anyways, this is also more proof that it's on there. If you guys don't believe it, you got to go check it right now. It's actually on there right now. But right now, you can't buy it on the mobile, but you can buy it on the desktop. So anyways, over here, you can see this person actually emailed Webull themselves. They said, when will she be ready to buy? Because it's already on there. They're saying, when will it be ready to buy? but remember, it's ready to buy on desktop. But the actual Webull people said, "Hi, Michael. Thank you for reaching out. Shiba is now under inner test and will be released in a short time." Meaning, could be today, could be tomorrow, but it's going to be very shortly. So, anyways, this is about to come here today, tomorrow, who knows? But it's about to be here. Bunch of money is about to flow through Shiba Inu. We're about to go crazy right now. We're about to go straight to the moon. And also, this sheep army person right here, this person in the sheep army just now posted this, and pretty much this is their take on how Shiba Inu can go to the moon. They said, "This is my take on what needs to be done to make Shiba Inu the best coin in the Ethereum blockchain. Please like and spread the word." So we're gonna like and spread the word. We're gonna go over this, and we're gonna go over this thoroughly. So they said Shiba Inu to the moon. Okay, let's go over this. "Hi, I know how to make us to the moon, or I know how to take us to the moon." I don't know why I'm messing up. Anyways, I know how to take us to the moon. First, allow me to start by talking a little bit about my relationship with Shiba Inu. I've been a holder since the early days and have only added to my position since. I had joined the Discord community when there was less than 15,000 holders and have spent, hours chatting with the sheep army through thick and thin. I'm here until the end. I say this in hopes to communicate to you my love and passion for this project. So this person is very passionate about Shiba Inu, very passionate about the sheep army. Anyways, they said, with that said, it is very important to note that there are upcoming threats and opportunities we would be aware of. Or we should be aware of, they said. Furthermore, I will provide you with the solutions that will deter any remaining negative sentiments towards Shiba Inu for good. So Polkadot versus Kusama and Terra Luna are our greatest. Polkadot/Kusama and Terra Luna are our greatest competitors in the coming years. These ecosystems are already on the rise. They have similar concepts to Shiba Inu, along with much more. In other words, the aforementioned cryptocurrencies have a wider array of protocols extending from that of Shiba Swap. So with the release of the upcoming incubator, I have no doubt that we will implement protocols in our ecosystem that have the ability to outshine both Polkadot/Kusama and Terra Luna. However, in order to execute effective initiatives as a response, we need to familiarize ourselves with these protocols and discuss in further detail. So Polkadot/Kusama is the test net of Polkadot and uses nearly the same coding. It allows developers to create projects for a chance to win a parachain slot auction and be deployed on Polkadot. So Polkadot connects multiple specialized blockchains into a single network. Polkadot will be part of the Ethereum network since it will all be interoperable. Shiba Swap is very similar to some of their parachains like Akala and Clover Finance, but these are just two of the main other protocols that are about to become a part of the Polkadot ecosystem. Even though we will soon have a layer 2 solution, we still don't have our stablecoin, let alone a lending protocol. Parachain auctions have already been taking place and will be reaching completion soon. The protocols in question are Clover Finance and Akala Network. So Akala, Shiba Swap with an already developed stablecoin lending option and micro fees, and can be paid for with any token. So they really want this lending option with Shiba Swap. So anyways, Shiba Swap has huge potential, but really we have to get ahead of Polkadot Kusama. We have to get ahead of them. We have to get ahead of Terra Luna. Like, we have to get ahead of all these cryptos. A lot of different crypto companies, they're doing a lot of innovative stuff. And yes, Shiba Inu is doing a lot of innovative stuff with Shiba Swap, but we got to continue to rise and continue to just do more upgrades, more protocols. We got to do more upgrades with Shiba Inu. Anyways, the developers have to see this. So definitely, comment on this, like this right here, and, comment on it so then the developers can see it and actually start doing more developing on Shiba Inu or on Shiba Swap anyways. But really, this is all I got for you guys today. Lots of big news with Webull. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Remember, we're on eToro now. We're on Crypto.com. We're on Webull, almost on Robinhood. So Shiba Inu is about to go crazy. We might get back up to rank 27 like we were before. So very good news with Shiba Inu. Remember, check out the links in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. Remember, you can get Shiba Inu on Webull, so just take those free stocks and put it inside of Shiba Inu. That's literally free sheep, free money right there. So yes, definitely make those money trees print out all that money. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.